Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix PDF files not opening in Microsoft Edge, and it will be a step-by-step tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see that when we are trying to open our PDF file, we get this kind of a pop-up and they are ask us to choose the file to open our PDF, but I want when I will choose this one, it will open by default into the Microsoft Edge. So how I can do it? You just need to go into the search and search for default apps, and you will get this system setting. You just need to click this one, and then here you just need to go and come over that place. Once you come over here, you will find out the choose default file types here, and here you can see that we have a couple of things. So here you just need to be search PDF, and you are able to see a couple of things. So if you want to add anything, like here you can see, you just need to click this one. Once you click over here, then you can choose this one as the default, and it already been done. So now I will come back here again, just remove this one, just restart the system, and I can try it. Just go over here and then go to the downloads, and I will try to open the PDF, and here now actually you can see it is working. We are now able to open our PDF in Microsoft Edge perfectly. This is the easiest way to make it default. I hope you understand the guide how I did it, and now you can easily do it for yourself. If you think this video was knowledgeable for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.